Hi everyone. Did you remember this painting? While I started this YouTube channel, firstly I posted some paintings, and this is one of them. I think second or third painting is this. So today in this video, I'm gonna do the varnish on this painting. Watch the full video until I finish the varnish. And if you are beginner and searching the way how to do the varnish on oil painting, so here in this video I'm gonna share some important points. So let me start today. I have uh, i have these varnish. Both are same. This is just a big bottle and 300 ml and 100 ml. So I think very few amount of this is sufficient for this. Okay, so first thing, the most important thing is to remember that your painting is completely dried or not. So actually, my painting was uh, ready before 6 months. I think 7 months. Okay, so 6 months are sufficient to dry from the internal layer also. Okay, in the internal layers also maybe can be dried 100% within 6 months. So this is good. But if you have a very short of time, then at least you must have 3 months to dry completely the oil painting. If your weather have uh, uh, 20 to 30 or above temperature. Okay, as much you have the good temperature, so your oil painting may be dried completely fast. If you have the moisture weather, then it may be difficult to dry. Okay, it may take some more time, maybe double. Okay, so first thing is the time duration during the dryness of the painting. The layers of oil paints must be dried completely. And there are two kinds of varnish in the market available. One is glossy. So I have glossy. Means it can create a gloss over this canvas, okay, or all over the painting. So if you want to give the gloss finish in a painting, so you can use this varnish. It will protect, it will create a layer that can protect from all the dust and moistures and all. Okay, so your painting will be safe. So that's why we use varnish. And I have this brush. This is very soft brush, but in the last time while I used it for the varnish, I did not clean it well. But I mean, I cleaned, but I washed it with the turpentine, but it was not completely washed. So I'm just dipping into it and washing with the turpentine. As you know, its thickness is so big. This is a big brush, so it can take a longer time to absorb the turpentine. Look at this. There is some amount of turpentine, and the dust in this brush has been mixed with that turpentine. Now I can clean it with the cotton cloth. So this is the cloth. Now this is that is better to clean the brush. Your cloth must be cleaned because this is the final process. Okay, you may not mix any other color above these layers. So now this is fine. Now we can use this directly over the painting. but I told you this is sufficient. Okay, this amount is sufficient, so I will directly pour over this painting. This is very tight. Sorry, some dust particles and small particles in the cap of the varnish. Okay, so I cleaned it. Okay, now I'm pouring over whole painting. And now you should know this is to be sprayed all over the painting, all over the canvas, without applying any force, just smooth and soft hands with the soft brush. Do not use too much pressure or hard brush. So this is very simple to see, but this is big responsibility because we give a lot of inputs and time and efforts. So you must uh, think about its surface and the medium and brush and all the tools and the atmosphere also, so that you may not think negative, or you may not find any negative result after you finish the varnish. These layers will take a very short of time to dry. Within 1 hour, it will be able to touch on the surface on the painting. So finally, we have done it, and before leaving it, you can move your brush equally at every space on the canvas. All the surface must be covered. Yeah. And now, most important to save your brush after using it for the varnish, we can wash it with the turpentine. So this is simple distilled turpentine, and I'm just pouring over it. Look at the surface of this canvas. All the painting is okay. So finally, I have done this, and look at the painting. This is too much glossy right now, but after it will dry, the glossiness of this will be sufficient. As much you can click the pictures without reflecting lights. Okay, so this is how I did it. So please subscribe my channel if you are first time watching my videos, and stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you so much.